Today I'm going to be reviewing STARGEAR's Starlink Gen 3 protective cover case. I want to thank STARGEAR for sending this to me to review. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what we got. Here we go. This is what's in the box. Nothing crazy here. Just instructions how to put it on. You've got this nice thick like rubber and it's tied together. So I'm now going to put it on my Starlink Gen 3. And let's see what it looks like. I'm excited to see what this can do. Here we go. You know, buying these Starlinks, it's a huge investment. And this is the cover. It was super easy to put on. I'm going to come close to it so you can see what it looks like. It's rubber. It's, fairly thick. Definitely. I mean, it's going to protect it from hail. The nice thing is it doesn't affect how it works. It's not going to affect the signal. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back here. So this is really simple to put on. Sorry, it's a little dusty here from my table. But basically, you just, you pull it over one side, and then on the other side, whether you start at the bottom or top, you'll have to stretch it a little bit. It's not crazy. It takes a little bit of stretching to do it, but most people will be able to do it. Not very hard at all. And it just fits on there really nicely. And just so you can see, that's the thickness right there. Plenty. That is all you will need. Now they say this has the hexagon pattern in here. They say that helps airflow and also helps protect it from impact. Right now, these come in this gray and then a white. These do pretty well. It gets a 4.6 star. Now, there's only 38 ratings. A lot of times people just don't leave reviews. When things are good, they normally don't spend the time. But this is an Amazon choice, and in October of 2025, 500 of these were sold. So this does really well. I'm impressed. I'm excited that I was sent this, and I'm going to use this. This is absolutely staying on here to protect it. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.